The photography world is abuzz with anticipation for the Nikon Z90, an upcoming mirrorless APS-C camera set to redefine image and video capture in 2025. With cutting-edge technology, superior performance, and an intuitive design, the Z90 is positioned to be a game-changer for both professional and enthusiast photographers. High-resolution APS-C sensor. Stunning detail and clarity. At the core of the Nikon Z90 is a 32-megapixel APS-C sensor, offering exceptional resolution and dynamic range. This sensor ensures outstanding image quality, making it perfect for capturing detailed portraits, landscapes, and action shots. Key benefits. High resolution. Perfect for cropping and post-processing without loss of detail. Excellent low-light performance. Improved sensor technology reduces noise in challenging conditions. Enhanced dynamic range. Captures richer highlights and deeper shadows for a more realistic image. Whether shooting in daylight or low-light environments, the Z90 sensor delivers stunning results. Next-generation image processing. Unparalleled performance. Powered by Nikon's latest APS-C image processor, the Z90 offers lightning-fast performance and exceptional image quality in various shooting conditions. Key advantages. Fast autofocus. Tracks subjects with pinpoint accuracy. Noise reduction. Maintains clarity and sharpness even at high ISO settings. Enhanced color science. Produces vibrant and true-to-life colors. Photographers can expect smooth operation and flawless image processing, ensuring every shot looks professional. 4K video capabilities. Content creation redefined. Videographers will be thrilled with the Nikon Z90's 4K UHD video recording at up to 60 frames per second, delivering crisp, cinematic quality footage with incredible detail. Video features. 4K per 60 frames per second recording. Smooth, high-resolution footage for content creators. Full HD 120 frames per second slow motion. Capture breathtaking slow motion sequences. 10-bit N-Log and H.265. Increased post-production flexibility with higher dynamic range. Hybrid autofocus system. Ensures sharp focus even in fast-paced scenes. Whether creating YouTube content, documentaries, or cinematic projects, the Z90 is a powerful tool for storytelling. In-body image stabilization. Shake-free precision. The inclusion of 5-axis in-body image stabilization makes handheld shooting a breeze, minimizing blur and enabling sharper images even at slower shutter speeds. IBIS benefits. Steady handheld shots. Ideal for vlogging and travel photography. Enhanced video stability. Reduces shaky footage. Improved low-light shooting. Enables longer exposure times without tripod support. For photographers and filmmakers on the go, IBIS ensures consistent quality in every shot. Fast burst shooting. Capturing the decisive moment. Speed is a standout feature of the Z90, with an impressive 20 frames per second burst mode, perfect for sports and wildlife photography. Performance features. High-speed shooting. Never miss a moment with rapid-fire capabilities. Advanced autofocus. Tracks fast-moving subjects with precision. Deep buffer capacity. Extended bursts without interruptions. Whether capturing action on the field or in nature, the Z90 ensures no moment is missed. Ergonomic and durable design. Built for creators. Designed with portability and ease of use in mind, the Nikon Z90 features a compact yet rugged body, making it ideal for travel and on-the-go shooting. Design highlights. Lightweight build. Easy to carry for extended shoots. Intuitive controls. Accessible dials and buttons for quick adjustments. Weather sealing. Protection against dust and moisture for outdoor shoots. Comfort meets functionality, making the Z90 an ideal companion for any creative endeavor. Connectivity and smart features. The Nikon Z90 includes a suite of modern connectivity options, ensuring seamless workflow and sharing capabilities. Smart connectivity. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Instant sharing to devices and cloud storage. USB-C charging. Convenient power management on the go. Dual card slots. Flexible storage options for redundancy and convenience. Whether transferring files or controlling the camera remotely, the Z90 offers a connected experience. Conclusion. A powerful tool for creative excellence. The Nikon Z90 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting APS-C mirrorless cameras of 2025, offering a perfect blend of high resolution, advanced processing, and top-tier video capabilities. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an aspiring creator, the Z90 is poised to be an indispensable tool for unlocking new creative possibilities.